Hey YouTube, hey guys. Thank God. Hopefully this video is not sideways again, because sometimes I try to record and then the video goes sideways. It's a pain in the behind. But anyway, I finally found it. So I haven't found the other things that I've been looking for, because every Dollar Tree is different. Some get them, some don't. Some take everything before they do it. Some stores have better stuff than others. Who knows? And then there's some people that steal. You know how it goes. So I did finally find the Wizard Naturals spray cleaner. It's not an air freshener. It comes in the spray bottle. It's $1.25 each. And this one has essential oils. This one has cinnamon and rosemary. Now I smelled it. It's not like 100% like, oh my God, it's all that super fresh or anything, but it has like a light smell. It's just a cleaner. So this is good for like spraying stuff down and wiping it down and everything. So it has rosemary and cinnamon. This is from Wizard. So I grabbed those. So I only picked up 2. So that's it, guys. That's all the stuff I picked up. I'm glad I found these. These were all on one of my hunting lists to find. But I still never found the Sesame Street stuff. I never found the Jada Pickett items. I never found any of those stuff. So every store is different. But anyway, I'm glad I did find these. So if you're interested and you want to give them a try, see if your Dollar Tree has them. But these are spray cleaners. So you just spray stuff and wipe it down. So it's cinnamon and rosemary from Wizard. And I don't like Wizard air fresheners. They kind of smell. I don't really like those. So hopefully this product works good. I have no idea, but I did pick up 2. So like I said, the smell is not all that, but it's okay. So that's it, guys. That's all the stuff I picked up at Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.